Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port and headphone jack board on the Samsung Galaxy A04 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, gently take out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the board bracket by undoing 10 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, undo 7 screws to pull out the speaker cover. Next, disconnect the antenna head and LCD connector plug from the board. And then, gently pull out the not working charging port and headphone jack board from the body. Next, place and secure the new charging port board on the body. Next, secure the antenna head and LCD plug to the board. Next, secure the cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, secure the board bracket by adding 10 screws. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.